सर नेटवर्क नहीं काम कर रहा।
हाँ, okay. Now continue. He caught up. Are you ready now, all, with the book?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
He caught up with the girl. He caught up with the girl. Means the girl went leaving him, and later he realized, I have written. Jyoti, in the question answer.
मैंने लिखा है.
In the question answer of
Yes,
miserable,
sir.
I have presented two things: miserable condition at the railway station. He was remembering even his
sister.
Even his sister was not there to share the smile in absence of their father. At the railway station, he suffered the loss of his sister, with whom he used to smile in absence of her father. That was the miserable condition. That brought the miserable condition. And second miserable condition is when the girl left him, he found in her some recognition, because she talked about his family. She knew him well. Okay, now. So catch every these things. This will help you to reach to the fact, the truth of life. इसलिए मैं ये सब चीजें लिखता हूँ, उसको गहराई से स्टडी कीजिए. Okay, the feelings. When they got to the road, they means the girl and Velu.
Velu.
And who is
Velu.
the leader? The girl or Velu?
Yes, sir.
The girl.
The girl is here the leader. She is leading her. She is expert. She is expert, familiar with the environment. So she led. Okay. When they got to the road, Velu found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped for anyone. We know that the city life is very busy. It is very difficult to cross the road. Only expert who has been living in the city easily knows easily how to cross. But Velu was new to the city and he was waiting, kept coming and never stopped for anyone. He thought to cross the road, but always vehicles come. Smoke and dust flew. Smoke and dust flew. Yes. Flew. Verb in second form. Fly, flew, flown. Fly,
Flown.
flown. Yes. Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides. Why? Because the road was dusty and vehicles were passing. Making his head spin. This busyness of city life, the busyness of city life caused his head spin. Spin means
busy.
चारों तरफ चरखा को जिस तरह से
घुमाओ.
हाँ, घुमाओ. The spin of brain here means he felt fainted. He felt fainted. क्लियर है? स्पिन मीन्स बुनना होता है. सूत जो काटते हैं उसको स्पिन बोलते हैं. धागा जो निकालते हैं उसको स्पिन बोलते हैं. और धागा से जो बुनते हैं उसको सियो और स्वेटर बुनते हैं तो नीट ये सब मैं दे चुका हूँ. और मशीन पर बुनते हैं तो वीव बोलते हैं. सुई से जो कहते हैं तो सियो, मशीन से जो सीते हैं सियो. और स्वेटर जो बुनते हैं उसको नीट.
नीट.
हाँ, परंतु धागा जो बुनते हैं, धागा जो निकालते हैं, उसको हम स्पिन बोलते हैं। ये क्लियर हो गए सारे वर्ड्स? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके। Making his head spin, here spin means he felt fainted. They had to wait, have to wait. I have given you the structure. Here it is had to wait. Avinash, Ashish, Avinash, Guddu.
इंतजार करना था।
Had to wait.
इंतजार करना था।
हाँ, उसे रुकना पड़ा, इंतजार करना पड़ा। He could not cross the road for a long time because he was not as active. He was not as active as the girl. Comparative degree. ये क्या हो रहा है? He was not as active. Belu was not as active as the girl. Comparative degree.
The girl is active than Belu. The girl is more active than Belu.
हाँ, the girl is more active than Velu.
Belu.
इसी को पॉजिटिव डिग्री में Velu was not as active as the girl. दो की तुलना है. We can use either in positive degree or comparative degree. We can make some. Thank you, Avinash. Okay. कहाँ गया? बेलाइए गया. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through the vehicles. Means why it happens we know. Everything depends on the practice. He was not familiar with the environment. He was not familiar with the busy environment. He lived in a rural life. The life in a remote area of the country is very slow. The city life is very busy. That is the difference. Okay, now Velu kept hesitating. Can you tell them?
घबराना.
Hichkichana. Very good.
घबराना.
Hichkichana. Don't hesitate. Tell me the fact. I shall solve the problem. Don't hesitate. Tama, tell the fact. I shall solve it. Belu kept hesitating, and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. And it was the girl who helped him to cross the road. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows. Now, the girl is warning, making him happy, scolding. What do you think? What should be? The girl is scolding, warning, or making him happy. What is this? Which sense is there?
Making him happy.
Which feeling is there?
Scolding.
Scolding. Yes. यही सब चीज पकड़ना है अब आपको. अब लैंग्वेज पर तो हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं. ये अब फीलिंग पकड़ना है कैरेक्टर्स का. बिकॉज यू इन क्लास 10th यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू स्केच द कैरेक्टर ऑफ. उसमें से कैरेक्टर दे देगा किसी का, उसका डील करना रहेगा. So the girl is scolding, showing him her superiority, the feeling of superiority. What do you think you are doing? Grazing cows? Means it is not a rural section where you used to graze the cow. It is city. if you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. She is scolding. Is it clear? Now
Yes.
convert the whole sentence from the begin, the whole paragraph from what do you think say and up to the chutney into indirect narration.
The girl asked.
हाँ
The girl asked Velu what he was doing.
हाँ
What he
The-
thought.
the
The
girl
girl asked Velu what he thought he was doing.
Very good. What he thought. He was grazing cows. He was grazing. He was grazing cows. He thought, yes. Next. She further advised.
Told
She further advised him.
that if
He
stand
stand का second form. It is present
if
in English.
he stood
If he stood
around in the middle of the road like
Ah.
that, he would be chutney.
very good. Clear हुआ? All of you, is it clear? Indirect narration. Okay. Velu's heart was still beating fast. Present continuous.
The past continuous.
Past continuous. Velu's heart was. किसको गोली मारना है?
Still
स्टील को हटा दीजिए. was beating, was playing, खेल रहा था. गुड्डू was playing, खेल रहा था. was beating, मार रहा था. तो यहाँ पर मारना नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर धड़कना होगा. The beat of heart. Beat of heart is called in science what? Palpitation. In science, you might have come across with the word palpitation. Have you come across or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The Velu's heart was still beating fast. He looked back at Central Station of Chennai. He looked back at Central Station and the traffic is speeding by, means beside. Clear? How had they managed? How had they managed to come through that? That was a question to him. Means in the mind of Velu. They walked. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
They walked along the side of the road. Along आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Along.
On, along, through.
Yeah, remember that. I have drawn the picture of road on the board. Road on the board. Writing on, describing on, along and through. Here along word has been used, means motion. They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. There were signboards. In city, beside the road, you can see a number of signboards. Mithai wala, like this. Velu looked up at the pictures. Velu looked up at the pictures. Banyans, car tires, pens, a woman holding a box. These pictures were on the boards. There was no board of mithai wala. The writing was all in English. It was not written in Hindi or Tamil. It was in English. So he did not know what it meant. As he did not know the English language, he could not read written on the board, which were written on the board, due to not having the knowledge of English. The guard turned on to दो प्रीपोजिशन बन करके एक बन गया है, on and to, माने पहले ऊपर कदम चढ़ाया और जहां रखा वहां पहुंचा कदम वहां हो गया to, तो दोनों मिलकर के हो गया on to. ध्यान दीजिए on to का प्रयोग, ये प्रीपोजिशन है, दो प्रीपोजिशन on and to. Both the prepositions have been used into single one. On means पर and to means तक. मतलब पांव ऊपर जहां पर रखे वो हो गया on, और जहां पहुंचा वो हो गया to. क्लियर है सचिन?
Yes, sir.
The girl turned on to a wide bridge. ब्रिज पर कदम रखा तो on हो गया. अब ब्रिज, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, onto a wide bridge and walked up. The bridge means climbing up the bridge. Velu stopped and peeped. Peep word is not unknown to you.
Yes, sir. Jhakna.
Jhakna.
Yes,
Jhakna.
related to this, see, look, peep, watch, observe, view. ये सारे वर्ड्स मीन्स देखना.
Stare, gaze.
Yes.
Stare, gaze, glance.
वो तो चार जो दिया हूँ वो अलग है. और ये देख लीजिए.
Spectators.
The peep over the railing. Over the railing means he was peeping the railing. Under him, the road ran into the city. Means under the bridge.
Yes, sir.
Under him means under the bridge where he was standing, and down the bridge the road ran into the city. The road went to the city. यहाँ पर ran means went. The road went to the city. In the distance he could see. वह देख सकता है.
देख सकता था.
हाँ, he could see huge buildings. Clear है? Huge buildings.
Yes, sir. Bada building.
Yes, we can say tall buildings also.
Yeah.
We can also tell sky touching buildings. We can also say sky touching buildings. Clear है?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And towers and more roads. Clear? See that big building with the wall around it. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there. यहाँ bars means jail. Here bars means jail. You will be counting bars there. The girl grinned and pointed at a huge building. Pointed means she signed, she showed with her finger. Now you see that big building. Here the girl is telling to Velu to see that big building with the wall around it. Can you tell me what is it, this building? What is this building for? If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars in there. Means
Sir, police station.
Bars here means I have told you it is symbolized as a
Prison.
jail, prison. Prison means if you are not careful, you will be caught by the police and will be put into the
Yes,
prison
sir.
where you will count the bars and will do nothing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Try to
Yes,
understand once again this sentence. See that big building with the wall around it, means that building had a high wall around it. If you are not careful, means if you are not careful about your activity and do any mistake, then you will soon be kept in the prison. यहाँ पर full sentence ऐसा बनाइए. You will soon be kept into the prison and where you will be counting. अरे sentence देखो, उस book का sentence देखो, उसको
Yes, sir. देख रहे हैं.
मैं फुल सेंटेंस बना दे रहा हूँ, पूरा सेंटेंस बना दे रहा हूँ. इफ यू आर नॉट केयरफुल, देख लीजिए कहाँ कहाँ मैं खाली जगह भर रहा हूँ वर्ड से. इफ यू आर नॉट केयरफुल, यू विल सून बी इन द प्रिजन, मीन्स यू विल सून बी टेकन टू द प्रिजन बाय द पुलिस, वेयर यू विल बी काउंटिंग बार्स. अब बात क्लियर हुई?
Yes.
देख लीजिए, मैं पहले भी कहा हूं कि नाउ यू आर नॉट इन बउआ क्लास, यू आर इन अपग्रेडेड क्लास एंड द चैप्टर विल लीव मेनी वर्ड्स. यू विल हैव टू फिल दोज, फिल मेक ए फुल सेंटेंस. आगे बढ़े?
Yes, sir.
ओके. कोई बता सकते हैं इस सेंटेंस को पूरा कोई लंबा बना सकते हैं? क्या कहा गया है? कोई anyone of you? Anyone of you, just as I have made the long sentence of this short sentence, can you make it a long sentence for the clarification?
तो बताएं.
हाँ बताइए.
To see that building
हाँ
with the wall around it.
हाँ
If you are not careful, you will soon be kept in the prison by
Very
the
good.
police or crop. By the police or crop,
हाँ.
then you will
And you
then-
will be counting their bars in the prison.
Yes.
Where you will be counting the bars. Clear है? जहाँ पर आप लोहा का छड़ गिनते रहेंगे. Clear हो गया?
yes,
Yes, that is.
yes, sir.
This is the way of learning and widening our brain. That is the way of learning and widening our brain, means language. Okay. The garlic green. Green means
खुलकर हंसना.
खुलकर नहीं है हंसना. वो मन में बदमाशी हो तब जो हंसते हैं वो ग्रीन. पूरे खुल करके नहीं हंसते हैं.
तो क्या?
ग्रीन में.
मुस्कुराना.
क्या
मुस्कुराना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मान किसी के गलती पर मुस्कुराना हुआ. Green and pointed at a huge building. Velo squinted and read the Tamil sign.
अंत खुली आंखों से देखना.
Yes. पलक झपकाते हैं, वह उसको कहते हैं स्क्विंटेड. हेलो वैभव, सो करके उठा है, सोए हुए था. वैभव ही है ना?
यस सर.
मुंह बनाए हुए. ओके. बेलू स्क्विंटेड मीन्स saw with half open eyes and read the Tamil sign. मुझे भी रात में जब चश्मा नहीं लगाए रहते हैं, किसी का फोन आता है और नाम पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो आंख को छोटा करते हैं तो वो बड़ा दिखता है. मोबाइल पर बड़ा दिखता है, आंख को छोटा करते हैं तो वो बड़ा दिखता है. ऐसा मैं अनुभव किया हूँ. The Velu squinted and read the Tamil sign. Central jail. Is it quite clear now what I talked about the bars? Okay.
Yes.
Why? Why? I have not done anything wrong. Now convert this sentence into indirect narration.
Velu asked
ये
that
सब कहाँ गायब है? यहाँ पर प्रेजेंस है.
Velu asked.
यहाँ
Why
प्रेजेंट
are-
इतने हैं, देखो इतने प्रेजेंट हैं. अर्नब,
Present, sir.
अविनाश, ज्योति, सचिन, भारती, गुड्डू, सोनाली, मेघा. इसमें से मात्र 2 ही 3 प्रेजेंट हैं. Classroom, you do not make classroom situation not having the
The
video
eight
open.
student present.
हाँ, yes sir. Now convert this.
Velu asked.
Velu asked why.
Why?
So why
Why? And
he had done
He-
nothing.
he
He
further.
He had done nothing.
No.
He further asked.
Why अलग है, इंट्रोगेटिव में चला जाएगा. And then he further said.
He had done nothing wrong.
Yes, he further said that he had